Hello dear friends, today I hope you will be very well. Talk about just React internship location in Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow. As you can see my screen. So let's get started without any wait. Just I will visit on my LinkedIn account, and here you will get that here just showing that React internship. I have got the notification. So just I will provide the this application link in my bio. Just click on easy apply. Already I have done my all details, so just click on next, and you will enter in this process. You will have need to do just update your resume, or just already have used that. Just click on next. And how many experience of that do you have? React.js? Zero. I one 1 month, 6 month, 6 month, not zero. Dashboard before React. Have you built in React.js before? No. And then review. I have done all process, and then submit. Click on submit application. Now we have got the your application was sent to the BKS My Goal. Means that I have done my application form, and I hope you have got very well this information, and complete good information. So please like, subscribe, and share my channel, and please press the bell icon for further more getting videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.